Today we're going to be opening this greenre eco coloring box.
Wow, plastic-free packaging.
So many color and activity pages. These pencils are made out of coconut husk. The tape has a lot of patterns. There's so many pieces, so much fun. Who doesn't like a pencil topper? These stamps are so cool. Some of these are self-stamping and the other ones you use the pad. These wooden ones are awesome. Hashtag greenre kids. This has been Lily unboxing. See you next time.